referred to Attorney General Holder and the federal presence overseeing the investigation was basically him saying, look, they checked our work. So it can't be the case the fix was in. It can't be the case there was a grand conspiracy. It cannot be the case that we have done anything nefarious or askew, because the whole time there was this parallel check on us, which were these federal officers from the Department of Justice who were here. And the thing I'd say in response to that is true insofar as I think it's fairly clear that there was nothing of manipulation of witnesses or suborning perjury or anything like that. What that does not actually hold up a charge against or a defense against is the idea that the prosecutor's office never really wanted an indictment, and so they took this highly unusual approach to the process itself. And I thought it was interesting how often Attorney General Holder was invoked by Bob McCullough as a kind of backstop for folks. I think what we're going to do right now, we're going to take a quick break, and then we'll be back